Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to order from AliExpress, a step-by-step tutorial. So let's get started. So here we are in aliexpress.com, and from here what you want to do first is log in into your account right here. And once you are logged in, or if you don't have an account, then you can just register using the button right here. It's very easy. And from here, what you want to do now that you are logged in, you want to go choose your product. So for example, I want to buy, let's say this one right here. So I'm going to click on that. And then from here, I'm going to go click on buy now, or you can just add to cart if you would want to. And you can click on my cart now, and let's check out everything and click on checkout. And from here, you would now have the payment methods right here. So this is the first thing that I want you to set up first. So from here, you can see you can have the new card option, or you can go for the Alipay option. But you can also click here on view more, and then you would be able to see more payment methods if there are more available. But in my case, this is the only thing that's available for me. This would actually depend on the amount that you are going to pay, because some payment methods is only available for a certain threshold of amount, and some payment methods are only available depending on your region. So you want to take that in mind. And after you've set up your payment methods, you can go with the shipping address. Make sure that your address is correct right here. Provide everything correctly so that there would be no problem in your shipping. And now once it's all set up, then the next thing is that you might want to add a promo code right here so that you would have discounts or whatsoever if you have an AliExpress promo code right here. If you have that, enter it here. Then once you're all good with the options right here, then now you can click on place order, and from there you have now successfully ordered from AliExpress. Just as simple as that. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.